Live from the command center of the JW Solar USA. Guys, check this out. You know, JW Solar has been looking for generator for a long time for my battery backup systems. Guys, kind of windy outside right now, so I'm outside. So excited because I want to start this thing and test it. This is a YAMAHA EF2000is built-in inverter. It's an inverter generator. So guys, let's take a look at the specifications here. First thing caught my eye, I have to charge my batteries right there in the 12 volt. So you can plug a 12 volts just like a AC plug. You know, I've dealt with this overseas and I saw this. It's gonna get 2 of these. So now I just got one, but the other one is coming up soon. And it's a DC side. You can able to plug the cord. It has an alligator clip and charge your batteries 12 volt. And it has a protector here in case anything were to happen, it's gonna trip. So if it's down, the button, see this down. So push down, that means it's on, and higher is off. So right now it's off. And here is the AC part of it, the output. And for 120, there's a choke right here if you want to start it. And the second, this one up here is for the gasoline. So now we have it on an off position. It's an off position. You turn it here, it's going to be on, and at ground if you're going to be running it. Then you want to leave like outside. Most people like to have a ground rod on it. Some people have a ground rod embedded, just pull the wire and tie it up here, so for just a protection. You know, here is the oil indicator. If the oil is low, this light's gonna illuminate. And this is the AC, and here's the inverter overload indicator. So guys, the other side here is for parallel connection. So you can able to pair 2 of these generators, the same brand, just like you do for the Magnums or inverters or the Outbacks and whatever. You can parallel this one by only 2 wires going back to the other generator, and that's how you're able to run to get a 240, or it can give you a higher output, whatever you want to do. So we check back here, we get the specs here. You know, always trying to read the specs. And I give you all the warning labels so you can read yourself. Don't run in the garage where you lock the garage door inside your house, and it's going to be the emission. That's the problem. So the back here is the hot exhaust. You want to stay away from this side because it's too hot, and you want to make sure this exhaust is always pointing out or wherever you set this inverter. It has an input here. You can open up all this because they make it as a soundproof. It's quiet. It can run on the echo mode as well. I can go back on the other side and show you. Here is the gasoline cap, and right now we had a full tank on it. It's on F. There you go. See that? So you gotta always try to turn this one on because so that you can able to suck the gas really well. So coming to the service side here. And let's take a look and see. There's the specifications set down for you to read. And see the AC output is a 60 Hz rated at 1.6 kVA. Alright. And there's a single phase. It has a DC output of 12 volt, 8 amps continuous. The fuel is gasoline. And check this out. It's made in Japan. Okay, so it's a good Honda and all that stuff made in Japan. And check the emission here. You can see what it's telling you. And it's going to give us the specifications, the type of oil we're going to be running. So engine oil is going to be the SAE 10W30. You can see like this little guy can take a heavy oil. See that? So always have to have your tags intact because you want to know more about your machine. This is how you find out if you don't have the manual. This engine meets the 2012 California exhaust and emission. So this one is really certified, you know, government certified. And check this out. He said the air index of this engine is 3. So look at the ratio here, and look at all the specification. The lower the air index is the less pollution. So this one is lower, so I can run this in eco mode, and it's just fantastic. So you have a good handle here. You can grab this guy and you can take it anywhere you want to go. Oh, there you go. One more thing here. Notice here it tells you the kind of spark plugs you're supposed to be using on this bad boy, and it's really specified is a BPR 6HS NGK only. NGK, no NGK spark plugs. Most of the time they're expensive. NGK are made in Japan, so Japanese require this kind of plug, and maybe the length, the height of the plug. And guys, this is what it is. We are now back in business with a new generator. Now we're doing a brand new second-hand generator live here at the JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Oh, before I let you guys go, here is the thing I was telling you about. In the eco mode, you can run in the eco mode louder, and which it runs in the higher RPMs, and it low on the lower RPMs. But you can put in the eco mode as well, and just like the Honda generator has that. So if you pull more load, the RPM it jumps right away, like automatic. It does it. So guys, this is the Yamaha. Sorry, this is the Yamaha EF2000is. Tell me what you think. We are now having a portable generator backup here at the JW Solar USA. We're not going to be in the dark anymore. If something happened, we can able to fire up this bad boy and keep our batteries going. It's not going to power the entire house, but it's going to do some impact into the off-grid solar system. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for this, because I'm going to be doing a service on it. Like you guys know me, I like to break things, and I have to make sure I check the oil and check the filter, and trying to get the spark plug tool for it, and hoping that I'm gonna get the other one. Then I'm gonna get the parallel kit right here. See that underneath the choke, so it can be incorporated with that. We can have 2 of them. Like and subscribe. Next video is gonna be how we're gonna start this generator and check it, or we're gonna do the service thing on it, the engine oil on it, and then do a little thing, gas in there, start it up, put some load into it. Bye for now.